Hello all, my name is Alyssa Sloan and I am here to present my PowerPoint on my area of expertise. Start with number one. Assistive technology is technology that is created and used to meet the needs of all individuals. Each type of equipment is adapted in some way to make it accessible for all. Some technology that I'm familiar with is assistive technology, Big Mac switches, adapted keyboards with large and spaced out keys, adapted toys, where individuals that may have certain special needs can use those toys to play with. Recorded clickers, they kind of have like what answers on them, kind of similar to the Big Mac switches. Experience and knowledge that I have, I am currently an instructional assistant within the special education classroom, grades kindergarten through 4th. I have the experience of working with different grade levels, going to different classrooms, different subjects. We use different technology and adaptive technology to meet the needs of the students. We implement different strategies and learning techniques, so I do have a lot of familiarity with those. Hobbies that I enjoy are hiking with my dog and family, doing anything family oriented. I do have a fiance and a bonus daughter, so we love to be doing certain things, different things, having fun, swimming and being outdoors. We love to be outdoors, playing sports. We're a sports family, and coloring and painting. The philosophy of using technology to engage and motivate all, creating an atmosphere that includes technology and the use of technology building really engages the students more, and students are more willing to learn. In the beginning of the article that I read, the authors state how students in different levels should be looking at achieving their goals. Two statements that stood out were about grades 3rd through 5th, which is define a problem using criteria leading to success and limits for possible solutions, while kindergarten through 2nd grade should be thinking about what solutions can be used that best meet the needs and goals of the students. When using these different technologies in the classroom, it allows the students to expand their minds to solve problems and come up with solutions. It creates an interactive atmosphere where students become more engaged and are willing to learn. Using technology as an educator is very important. The student engagement within the classroom has become so much broader since using technology. The kids become more engaged, they are willing to learn, then therefore they are learning more. That kind of want to make it a fun atmosphere to really engage the students. If they think it's fun, they're going to be more interested. Make sure to do both individual technology learning lessons and group learning lessons. This really touches base on them learning how to individually use the technology while collaborating as a team to also use the technology, and keep the technology something that's valuable. I believe in keeping it, technology that's something more like a privilege almost, that leads them to take care of the technology and know that, they should be thankful to be able to use the technology. My favorite theory is the Vygotsky's social constructive theory. I love this theory because I believe that whatever atmosphere the child is put into, socially, culturally, whatever, that it truly affects their development. And this is within any human development, because what they see and how people act around them and the environment that is set up for them is how they are going to learn. Teaching methods that I learned throughout this semester, the active learning, which I really love because I believe the kids are just become so engaged when they become active and hands-on. Learner-centered teaching, experiential learning where they are able to reflect off their own work and learn from that. Differentiated instruction, meeting the needs of all individuals. Kinesthetic learning, with I personally am a kinesthetic learner, so I truly believe in that. It's just figuring out what works for those learners and implementing those strategies. How technology can change the culture of a school. Technology can change the culture of a school when it's implemented. It allows the whole school to become involved. Even if you're just doing announcements, you can have that technology and that active board or whatever you may be using, where throughout the school they're able to express, different messages and whatnot. Some of the kids can have access to their own computers, tablets, or iPads, and this teaches them a sense of responsibility and taking care of it. And once again, touching on the base of that, it being a valuable asset to their classroom. Not only does it help the culture of a school, but it also helps the community of the school, or I'm sorry, the community that the school is within. You know, having the technology in the school, it can change the, you know, the way that they communicate with the community. It allows communication throughout the community, which gets students involved in the community. It enhances communication amongst the parents, and it also with the students and parents, and relaying messages out through the community. I just think it's very beneficial. Technology does improve the student reflection, collaboration skills, and enhance sense of community. With technology, the student reflection, they're able to visually see their progress, so they're able to reflect on their work. It gives them a way of challenge when they reflect on their work, because then they're able to see what they've done and what they can do to improve if needed. It's one of the best ways technology is to improve their collaboration skills when they're individually working or working in a group, to collaborate and know that teamwork and learn that teamwork. I think it's a very valuable lesson for life in general. It also allows enhanced sense of community. It's stepping out into this technology world and learning more, because as we know, technology is the way of the world and what it's turning into. So I think it's very important and beneficial. Applying the technology to lesson plans is important. There's several different, probably there's many different programs out there that are educational and used for certain purposes. Some that I am familiar with and I personally worked with is Brain Pop, Khan Academy, News to You, and Starfall. And here are listed my references of the work that I studied and images that were used it. And I hope that you'll enjoy this presentation. Thank you.